This ready-made lesson plan on managing time is for learners in grades 9 to adult with a simplified reading level of grade 3. Become truly independent with managing time. 60 pages of content within 6 chapters make up the bulk of this unit. We also include an assessment rubric, a critical thinking skills rubric, and a vocabulary list. Every chapter has a Before You Read section to see what learners already know about the topic, ideal for differentiated learning. Get familiar with the 5 levels of priority as you learn to prioritize the most important tasks. The reading passage is where you'll find all the curriculum content. Start your day with a plan by creating to-do lists and following our helpful tips. The After You Read sections include short and long questions for comprehension, followed by a graphic organizer. Learn how time trackers and productivity apps can help you become more efficient. Get hands-on experience with prioritization using the Eisenhower's Urgent Important Matrix. The hands-on activities are extension activities designed to get your students thinking and elaborating on everything they have learned so far. Follow the 4-step process to divide larger projects into smaller tasks. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 6 color mini posters completes the resource. Create your own routine for end-of-day planning. Managing Time is just one resource of a 3-part series on readiness life skills. Visit our website to see other volumes, including personal responsibility and coping with stress.